Hi dear friends. Welcome to my channel and to a brand new Photoshop tutorial. In this video, we're going to create a cool and creative effect called the dripping effect. So stay with me till the end of the video. First, let's import our image into a document. With the image selected, go to the Select menu and choose Subject. Next, click on the Mask option on the right-hand side to cut out the background. Now, we'll create a new document with dimensions 1920 by 1080 pixels, RGB color mode, and a resolution of either 300 ppi or 72 ppi, whichever you prefer. Then, drag the cutout image into this new document. Press Ctrl+T to resize the image to your desired size. And use the Align tool to center it on the canvas. I've already downloaded a melting PNG file, but you can find similar ones online. Just search for melting vector on Google. Drag the PNG file into the document, press Ctrl+T, and resize it to fit the image. Now, in the Layers panel, select the layer with the melting PNG, hold Ctrl, and double-click on the layer. Next, press Ctrl+Shift+I to invert the selection. Turn off the visibility of this layer, then go to the mask of your cutout image. Using the brush tool with a black color, follow along and paint over the areas I'm showing you. Once done, press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now, create a new layer, use the brush tool with black, and add a shadow under the image. Press Ctrl+T to adjust its size and position the shadow beneath the image. Reduce the opacity to make it look more natural. Next, create a solid color adjustment layer, pick your desired background color, and set it behind your image. Using the text tool, type your desired text and place it below the image layer. Hold Alt, drag to duplicate the text layer, and place the duplicate above the image layer. Select the top text layer and set its fill to 0. Double-click on this layer in the Layers panel and apply a stroke effect with white color and a size of 2. Select both text layers, right-click, and choose Link Layers to group them. Thank you for sticking with me until the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to catch my next tutorials. Take care, and see you in the next video.